What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know what's a NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production. Well, people have some breaking news. And viewers and subscribers, oh my world, oh my precious. It seems like this long hunt, this long wait, or I would say, Prekeh boy Obia is out now. Well, people, news reaching NEWLINK is that Prekeh boy is no longer alive. Prekeh boy is gone for good this time. Well, people, it is said that the police alongside the soldiers was carrying out a military operation this morning in Cambridge, people. And people, it is said that they come under heavy gunfire. And when them check it out, people, they return back the fire. And when them look, oh my world, they find Prekeh boy suffering from gunshot wounds, and they confirm that yes, this time it's Prekeh boy for good. Because remember, you know, people, back in 2018, you know, when they did kill a man and them did say a Prekeh boy, people, and when them check it out, it was not Prekeh boy, it was Prekeh boy friend who named Cruz. And during that incident, people, 2 soldiers was also injured. In last year 2019, a video was released with Prekeh boy when he's saying that his Obia strong, and every time police come for him, they can't catch him, and he's back and forth from Jamaica to Haiti. And next thing that happened again with Prekeh boy, people, is just a couple of months ago, he released pics of him in Cambridge, and he's saying he's walking up and down in the community with his big gun. Well, people, he can't walk no more because there is no more Prekeh boy. And viewers and subscribers, you know, I tell you this, you know, you will live by the gun. You may say you are the baddest man in Jamaica, you are the toughest man, but I'm telling you, one day that badness is going to be run out. Because remember, people, the police, you know, down at MONTEG0 BSA right now, them get leads to most of the gangs them in MONTEG0 BSA that is carrying on, you know, dangerous activities, and them not stop until them demolish everything. Well, people, it seems like it's working, because Prekeh boy is as listed as the most wanted man from Jamaica. Yes, people, Prekeh boy as listed as the most wanted man. And see then now, people, I'm not using the rooster, I'm using the goat, because rooster can't anger this one. He need the goat to say, meh, there's no more Prekeh boy. So as soon as I get any more update on this, people, I will definitely share it with you. But for now, news has reached NEWLINK, breaking news that Prekeh boy has gone. He has finished. It's all over. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. We now celebrate the death of no man, but you know what, this was something that everyone was saying his time will come, because he was saying his juju is strong, his Obia is strong, and he's back and forth from Jamaica to Haiti, and them can't catch him on this. Well, people, it's over. So don't know, people, this is NEWLINK from NEWLINK production, and we say attack, and just peace, love, and respect. Be good, be great, and be safe. Peace out.